Hello guys, this is your boy Rahul Dhawan. So today we are going to learn about metrics that we are going to use for classification. So if you remember, in day 2 we implemented naive Bayes classification model in Python. So we definitely know we wanna come with some metrics that we want to use, and we should know how our model is performing. So there are very vast number of metrics out there that you can use, but the metrics you used should be correct enough that it will tell the actual performance, because if you choose the wrong metrics, that will actually help not help you in like providing the correct accuracy for your performance for your model. So if you see here, we have generally three metrics that we used in classification: confusion, precision and recall, and accuracy. So there are many, but generally we use these three. So let's start and dig down. So first one is confusion matrix. So confusion matrix is basically n cross n matrix. So where n is how many classes you have in your data set. Suppose you are doing a binary classification, then there are two classes, so that will be 2 cross 2 matrix. So if you are doing a multi-class classification, in that how many classes you have, like suppose 4 classes you have, so 4 cross 4 matrix. So here in this line, upper line, you will have actual value, like actual value means actual class value, and here in this vertical line you will have the predicted value. So it will be 1 0 1 0, similar for actual and predicted. So we will fill this value, like 1 1 means like but if the actual value is 1, how many we are predicted true? 1. So similarly, if we predicted 1 but actual was 0, so how many were there? So these are the metrics, and we will put the numbers in it, but we called each one some with some names. Like if you truly classify the positive class, that means true positive. If you falsely classify the positive class, that is false positive. And similarly for negative class, if you wrongly classify, that's false negative. If you truly classify that true negative. So these are the simple convention to know like how to know which term is used for which column, which cell. So if you see this red circle, true positive and true negative, this is the actual truth value that you predict correctly. I mean that can be of either class. So the sum of this is actually the true positive, the truly correctly label that you classified correct, and this false positive will be help you in calculating type 1 error, or in false negative will help you in calculating type 2 error. The formulas are given. So this type 1 error basically means the false positive ratio, like how for the zeroth actual class, how many you negative classified, and this type 2 will say for the true positive class, how many you wrongly classified. So this is just a ratio. So the accuracy will be, so as I said, this circle, the sum of true positive and true negative with the actual classified true values that from the model is coming. So the ratio of true positive plus true negative divided by all of the number of records. So that will be our accuracy. So let's suppose you have just for an example, just take this thing. Suppose you have 100 records with you, and in which 90 belongs to class A and 10 belongs to class B. So and suppose you take the random model that will always say it belongs to class A. So what will be the accuracy? So out of 100 we will say all 100 belongs to class A. So 90 are truly classified. So 90 divided by 100 is the accuracy. So 90% is the accuracy, but we know that. So but at the first sight it will look like we are predicting it very correctly, But no, if you see the problem, it's an unbalanced data set. The accuracy and this confusion matrix will play a role basically when it's a balanced data set. Means the class, each class will have equal number of, not equal but equal proportion of data in it. So that should be for the balanced data set, and accuracy will be used. But for imbalanced data set, we won't use accuracy. For that we will use something called precision and recall. So precision will actually be stated as true positive divided by true positive plus false positive, and recall will be by true positive plus false negative. But this is formula. But actually, what is precision actually, and what is recall actually? So precision is basically, suppose you are classifying, there are 100 records, and out of 100 you said that the true labels are 50. So you said true labels are 50, but we know that so that means true positive plus false positive is 50, you are saying, like the predicted true. But we want to know out of those how many are correctly classified. So out of those 50, how many are correctly classified, that is precision. Okay, and what is recall here? So recall is basically true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. That means which are actually true, out of those how many you are able to predict correctly. So that is recall. So these are the two terms that we used whenever we have unbalanced data set. So these are the four classification metrics that we always generally used, no matter in which company you are working, but or maybe for which competition you are working in. So we always use these types of metrics with us, like precision recall for unbalanced data set, accuracy and confusion matrix, and type 1 error, all these things for balanced data set. So remember these two and it will help you. So for today, day 3, we are done. So you can just go through this, and if you didn't watch day 2, so please go watch. I will put the link in the description, and thank you.